Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin diagnosing processor damage in your GIGABYTE GB-BKI5, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace to avoid any mishaps during the process. First, power down your device and unplug it from the wall. It's crucial to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, remove the screws from the back panel of the GB-BKI5 using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, carefully disconnect the power supply and any other cables connected to the motherboard. This step is vital to ensure you can access the processor without any obstructions. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, locate the processor. It's usually situated beneath a cooling fan assembly. To remove the fan, unscrew it and gently lift it away. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. After removing the fan, you will see the processor secured in place. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt areas or bent pins. If the processor appears intact, it's time to clean the area. Use the can of compressed air to blow away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is crucial for ensuring proper airflow and cooling. If you're unsure about handling this yourself, remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional assistance. Next, if you need to replace the thermal paste, carefully remove the old paste using a lint-free cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the processor. This will help in maintaining optimal temperatures once reassembled. Reinstall the processor by aligning it with the socket and gently pressing it down. Secure it in place according to the manufacturer's instructions. After that, reattach the cooling fan, ensuring it's firmly in place to prevent overheating. Before closing the back panel, double-check all connections and screws. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Once everything is secure, replace the back panel and screw it back into place. Finally, plug your device back in and power it on. Monitor the system for any unusual behavior. If the problem persists, it may be time to consult a professional. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need without hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.